unahin natin si Congressman Leviste who's filed a libel complaint against you. Ano po ang sagot ninyo dito?
Actually, nagtataka ako nagtataka ako ladies na hindi sa akin kasi nag-start ang news na ito. We can still remember na it was Ombudsman Remulla who stated that in his own program sa executive session. At syempre naging part ito ng mainstream media, naging part ito ng news. Hindi lang sa mainstream, pati sa SOCMED, naging news siya. So as having this YouTube channel, na in-explain ko yung mga legal implications ng isang public servant na mayroong kumpanya na maaari may conflict of interest, ito yung in-explain natin. And hindi sa atin ang galing na nagbenta siya ng isang kumpanya na mayroong franchise. At di ba nagkaroon ako ng confusion, the second day, nag-explain ang Meralco Gen na yung kanilang binili from Congressman Leviste, ay hindi dependent sa franchise na meron itong si Congressman Leviste. So we also discussed that in one of my vlogs. So kaya imposibleng sabihin niya na ako yung nagbibintang sa kanya na nagbebenta siya ng kampanya na mayroong prangkisa. And on the third vlog na sinabi natin, it was him who admitted that he divested his shares dito sa solar para sa bayan na may prangkisa. He admitted that in one of the interviews.
So bakit ang pinagkakatakahan ninyo, bakit kayo lang ang zinero in ni Congressman?
Yes, oo, nagtataka tayo dahil pag ako'y nagko-content, actually says ladies, hindi ito sa briefing This is my part of my vlog. Oo, one of my contents na ang tinitake up ko lang is the news. Actually, meron ako sa inyo. Meron kayong isang topic na diniscuss ko din about Congressman Leviste, about the Leviste files.
Do you
so I
find,
took that up.
if I may interrupt you, Sec, do you find that your blog may put your position, it may come into conflict with your position? Kasi you take certain stances that is different from your job as a palace spokesperson or press
No.
officer.
I don't think so. Kasi as a Filipino citizen, I can also brag my own freedom of expression. So iba yung tinitake up natin sa briefing at may disclaimer tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel. It's my personal thought. It's my personal take. So I don't think at hindi ko kino-compromise ang Pangulo dito, Palasyo or Malacanang.
So Yusek, pagdating dun po sa libel case na sinampa ni Congressman Leviste, are you also mulling to file your own counter charges like libel in relation dun sa mga nasabi rin po niya tungkol sa inyo?
I haven't read yet, no? I haven't read yet the complaint. Di ko alam kung saan yung hugot niya. Kasi lahat naman ng kinontent ko, it's because of his own admissions and the statements made by Ombudsman Remulla and Secretary Garin. So lahat naman dun galing So I have to check, but definitely I will included in the answer will be compulsory counterclaims.
Naawa daw siya sa inyo kasi sana criminal case. Ginawa na lang niyang civil case.
Salamat ha. Thank you so much.